Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with the AIM 99 plus percentile question series regarding permutations and combinations. Today is part 4, and we will be discussing some of the best questions, right? Tomorrow, I will be getting logical reasoning DI sets regarding permutations and combinations, right? So, before start of the class, please do try to hit the like button so that I can reach to more number of audience here. Yes, and yes, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% off, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I'm ranked 12 in overall category of GATE and ESC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and your educator, so that you can speak with them about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will be getting best solutions to overcome that. One more advantage, test analysis. This is what students need right now. Content, it is available on all the platforms, but guidance, it is available on Unacademy. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, you will be getting my guidance, comprehensive guidance, and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 35,550. Hi Shubham, hello. But this is the regular price, but we are offering you flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. It's not 10, it is 20%. Now the price for 24 months will be, see here, 31,600 only, right? You'll be saving at least 4,500. The same is applicable for iconic also. You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. It's not 10%, it's 20%. And do try to attempt this All India mock CAT 2022 examinations. Recently, September 11th, one All India mock have been done. Hi Aniket, how are you after so long time? And the next mock is on October 9th. Unlock the mock using with my referral code NLN10. Yes. Chal, let's start the questions here. Hello Raghav. Oh, all the students have, yesterday I have asked a question there. So how many of you solved this question there? So okay, chal, I will solve this question, right? From next question, I will be giving you two minutes for each and every question. You have to try it, right? So how many of you solved this question which I have given you yesterday as an homework, right? I asked you to post your answers in the comment section box. Observe the question there. Anil and Vinil are at diagonally opposite sides of a rectangle 6 meter into 7 meter. Now 1, 2, 3, this is 6 and this is 7 meter. This is 6, this is 7 as shown below. Now the rectangle is divided into grids of dimensions 1 into 1 meter. Anil can move only along the grid lines to the right and up, to the right and up, right? So then the number of ways in which Anil can go towards Vinil without meeting Prapti. Without meeting Prapti is the question asked. So what I will do is I will go with backward approach here. I will write down the total ways. From this total, I will subtract Prapti moving ways, right? So automatically, if I subtract Prapti moving ways, automatically in that way, Vinil will not move. I mean, Anil will not move. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? So first of all, what is total? Can anybody say the answer there? Of course, they got it. I'll write down this. So see here, Anil, right up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally how many grids here? Is it 13 grids? So 13 grids can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Because see here, I wrote only one way, right? You can write down all the ways there. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one more way. So I have written all the ways there. So in this 13 factorial, are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. So 6 are horizontal steps and 7 are vertical steps. This is your total. From this, I will be subtracting the total Prapti moving ways beta. So how? Let us suppose take, right? So see, I should avoid the path between Prapti and Vinyl. Am I right or wrong? Is this the path there where Prapti is moving towards Vinyl? Is this the path where Anil is moving towards Prapti? Am I right or wrong? He should avoid this path there. First of all, I will find out this value there. Closely observe there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are totally 6 grids there. In those 6 grids, how many are horizontal and how many are vertical? See here 1, 2, 3. 3 are horizontal and 3 are vertical. Now this is nothing but called Anil moving towards Prapti or Prapti moving towards Anil. Am I right or wrong? So Anil should avoid that direction. I have avoided this. Now observe there Prapti moving towards Vinil. This is the way where Prapti moving towards Vinil, where Anil should not clash it. Let's find out this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many horizontals are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. So see here 7, totally 7 blocks are there. This can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. So how many horizontals are there? 3 horizontals are there, 4 verticals are there. Now this is total Prapti moving ways. I have to multiply it, right? Yes, you should learn logarithms, you should learn quadratic equations, right, for CAT examination here. So subtract this, you will get the answer, right? This is the answer. How many of you have followed the same approach to find out the answer there, beta? Is it clear? Done? So see, if Shubham don't want to see my face here, automatically Shubham will avoid all the ways where I am moving. This is what Anil have done to meet Vinil. So Shubham have avoided all the ways there. It's the same question. So let's come to the next one. Yes. Now this is a concept of dearrangement beta, right? So I'll explain dearrangement. Why did you got that doubt here? Second, let me take a slide there. Let's come to the next one. So I'll explain the concept of dearrangement. So till now, we have explained you the concept of arrangement. Let's see now dearrangement. I'll go with a simple example, then I'll convert into a bigger example. Let us suppose take I have 3 envelopes with me, E1, E2, E3. E1, E2, E3. And I have 3 letters with me, L1, L2, L3. So automatically, if correct letter has to go into correct envelope means L1 has to be in E1, L2 has to be in E2, L3 has to be in E3. But what are the wrong ways? So see here. So in how many ways can you dearrange them, right? So that they have to go into wrong envelopes. So how many chances? L2, L3 are the chances in E1 envelope. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Out of this 2 wrong envelopes, 1 wrong envelope is gone there. So how many wrong envelopes can be chance in E2? Only 1. And automatically the last one will go into the wrong envelope only. So finally, is this the answer called 2? Yes, the answer is 2. But we have a simple logic to find out this one here. Dearrangement concept ka formula is n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factor. I am not deriving the formula beta, just application I am explaining you. Plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, alternate plus and minus plus so on up to 1 by n factorial. So this will be the formula for dearrangement. I'll take the same example and I'll find out the answer there. So see here, n fact in the place of n, I'll write down 3 factorial. So what will be the value there? 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. So what will be the value there? Anybody say? So these two gets cancelled off. So denominator will be 3 factorial means 6. So here it is 2. So 6 means 3. So it is 1. Automatically close the brackets there. What is the value outside the bracket? Is it 3 factorial? Yes, it is 3 factorial. So what is the answer there? You got the same to what I have done in layman way also. This is your formula and this is your normal approach. Of course, for longer way, I mean, for very bigger questions, we use directly formula to solve the question there. So this is the exact simple concept of dearrangement. Let's come to the question there. I'll solve this. There are 7 letters and corresponding 7 addressed envelopes, it seems. There are 7 letters and 7 addressed envelopes. All the letters are placed randomly into the envelopes, one in each envelope. In how many ways can exactly 2 letters be placed in their corresponding envelopes is the question asked. So out of 7 letters, 2 has to go into correct envelopes, it seems. That means you have to write down the remaining things also. Remaining 5 has to go into wrong envelopes. Is it D5? Dearrangement 5? Yes, perfectly dearrangement 5. So let us write down the D5 value there. Everybody know n factorial 5 value, because n value is 5, into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial. I'm writing down elaboratively to understand. 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. I hope so. You will be getting a value of 44, I think so. Did anybody got the same answer? I'll cancel down this. So LCM value is 5 factorial. Right. So 2 by 120, is it 60? Yes. So 6 by 120, is it 20? Yes. 120 by 24, it seems. Is it 5? 24 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 20. Yes. 24 5s are, yes, minus 1. So brackets close and 5 factorial is the value there. Now 5 factorial and 5 factorial gets cancelled. 60 minus 20 is 40 plus 5 45 minus 1 44. So D5 value is nothing but equal to 44. Now 7C2, let's find out the value of 7C2. Everybody knows 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial, and the answer is 21. Am I right or wrong? 7 6 are 42 divided by 2. Is it 21? So my answer will be 21 into 44. Of course, the answer ends with 4 and there is only one option with 3 digits there. That will be the answer there. You can calculate this and find out the answer there. I hope so. I am clear. Yes, one such case of tomorrow I'll get an LRDI set regarding dearrangements. Let's solve this question there. This is one of my favorite question here. Let's see how many can solve this. Those who can solve this, automatically you will be in 99.9 percentile for sure. Alright, otherwise 98 only. Try this. 2 minutes. Any answers? 16, 15, 14. No answers. Shubham, Aniket, Raghav. Where is Srinivas today? Nobody. Observe the question carefully. Janaki starts walking from her school such that she takes a total of 4 steps of equal length, it seems. No, it's not 2 ways, Akash. She takes each step in any one of the 4 directions, east, west, north, and south. What is the total number of ways in which Janaki will be back at her starting point school after completing the above mentioned operation is the question asked. So let us suppose take this is school dot. Okay. So I'll write down one way. So see here, Janaki took 1 step towards north, 1 step towards east, 1 step towards south, and 1 step towards west. Automatically she reached the school there. Is this one way? So I wrote only one way beta. Now see here, I'll write down the things there. Now what Janaki have done? Janaki have took 1 step towards north, 1 step towards east, 1 step towards south, and 1 step towards west. Now see here, next it can be 1 step towards north, 1 step towards west, 1 step towards south, and 1 step towards east. Am I right or wrong? Is this nothing but called arranging those directions there? So in how many ways can you arrange those directions there? So I'll arrange this, remove this. So is this nothing but called 4 factorial? Yes, perfectly. 4 factorial is nothing but equal to 24. Yes. Is this the final answer there? No. So see here, I'll write down one more way. Let us suppose take this is the school there. Now see here, Janaki moved 1 step towards north, 1 step again towards north, step towards north, and 1 step towards again north. So again she came back 1 step towards the south and 1 step towards south. Now I'll write down the directions there. Observe there, 1 step towards north, 1 step towards north, and 1 step towards south, and 1 step towards south. This is also nothing but called arrangement. Am I right or wrong? Now S, S, N, 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 S, N, S, all these things will be there now. So is it 4 factorial? Yes, but there are duplicities beta. So duplicities should be eliminated. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So what will be the answer there? Is it 6? Yes, it is 6 there. Is it the only way? Right, I have to write on the next one. Let us suppose take this is the school there. Janaki moved 1 step towards west, 1 step towards west, and again she came back 1 step towards east and 1 step towards east. Will you accept with me? Yes or no? So see here, west, west, east, east. Again, this is also nothing but called arrangement of this direction. There east, east, west, west, W, E, W, E. So is it nothing but called 4 factorial by eliminate duplicities, write down 2 factorial into 2 factorial here. What is the value here beta? Is it 6? Is there any other way apart from that? No. So see here, south, south, north, north, all the things are covered here. Everything will be covered here. So finally add all those things and that will be the answer. The total answer will be 36. 36 ways. So Janaki can come back to her school after completing the above said operation there. So how many of you got this logic there? Perfectly done, na? Yes, exactly. Yes. And again, one more very routine question which is asked, I mean, which is there in every textbook here. I took it from time material, right? Some 3 to 4 years back, even 5 years back also. Why suddenly आज का strength increase हो गया? Yesterday the strength was so good. What happened today? Monday blues. Any answer? Seconds more. Any answer for this? Given 5 different yellow balls, 4 different. We have done a similar type of question yesterday, beta. Kapil and his friends, and he want to invite his friends to the home. A similar type of question. Is it 3720? No, beta. Answer will not end with 0. एक बार check करो. Given 5 different yellow balls, 4 different black balls, and 3 different white balls, then the number of combinations of balls that can be chosen taking at least one yellow ball and taking at least one black ball is the question. Just one black ball, it seems. Okay, fine. Let's calculate this first of all. So see here, yellow balls are different, it seems. So I'll take down y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. y4, y5. Now this is b1, b2, b3, b4. Right? So 3 different white balls, w1, w2, w3. Let us suppose take, right? You have gone to a supermarket, beta. You have taken a basket there, right? So see here, if you don't like any yellow ball, how many yellow balls will be there in your basket? 0. Means this is one combination, right? 5C0 is one combination in your basket. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? If you like one yellow ball, it will be 5C1. So either 0 or one ball will be there. So 2 different cases. If you like 2 yellow balls, it will be 5C2. So on. If you like all the 5 yellow balls, you will put all those 5 yellow balls in the basket there. But the question asked is, in your basket, at least one yellow ball should be there, it seems. So I should eliminate this combination there. Automatically, what will be the answer there? 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 will be the value there. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Hi Ayush. Now, similarly for black balls also, I can write down the same thing there. 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. Right? Now, what about white balls? There is no such condition called white. At least some 0, 1, 2, 3, anything can be there. So I can write down this as 2 to the power of 3. All these things are in single box only. I have to multiply all those cases. Am I right or wrong? So these are all completely in one basket only. So automatically, what will be the answer there? 31 into 15 into 8. Yes. Shubham, you are right, beta. Sorry, I am wrong, right? So the number ends with 0. So automatically there is only one option. There is no need to calculate also. 3720 is your answer there. I hope so. I am clear. Yes, perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. This is one such beautiful question that I picked up from one test series here. I forgot its time only, right? 2015, I think so. Let us see how many can find out. There are 2 questions there. Consider the word institute. If you can solve one, automatically 2 can be done, I think so. Yes. Ayush, yes. C is your answer. One minute more. 20 seconds more. Ayush, any answer for this? Consider the word institute. In how many ways can 5 letters be selected? First question is selection. And the second question is arrangement. Of course, we know a basic thing. There is no such point called arrangement without selection. So first question should be answered in order to find out the second one. Am I right? Yes. In the meanwhile, let me know. So how many alphabets are there? Let us suppose take institute, right? I. So 2 I's are there. Okay. How many N's are there? 1 N is there. 1 S is there. How many T's are there? 3 T's are there. I is done. T is done. 1 U is there. 1 E is there. These are the different kinds of alphabets in institute, right? So 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Yes, perfectly done. So in how many ways 5 letters be selected from the word, it seems. So see this 5 letters, is it given all same, all different, some case? So you have to write down all the cases there. Let's suppose take, right, if these 5 letters are different, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 letters. First of all, I have breaked this institute into alphabet order, right? I mean alphabet boxes. How many different kinds of alphabets do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different kinds of alphabets you have. Of course, number of alphabets are different, okay? So you have 6 boxes. Out of these 6 boxes, select any 5 boxes. Open that box, right? This is nothing but called selecting. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Next case. Can I write down this as A, B, C, double D? Is there any chance there? Yes, perfectly. So 3 letters different, 2 letters same. Let's first of all find out for this, or otherwise, right? I'll write down like this. We will get more clear. We will be very, very clear, right? A, B, C, D. This will be very, very fine. Now let us find out the boxes for this. Now, how many alphabets do you have? With 2 or more alphabets, you have 2 boxes, 2 I's and 3 T's. For this, you have to select out of 2 boxes, 1 box. Yes, you have selected this. Open it and keep it there. Into. So out of 6 boxes, how many boxes did you pick up? 1 box is picked up, right? How many boxes are left over? 5 boxes are left over. For those 5 boxes, select any 3 boxes for B, C, D. Combinedly together. Don't select separately. If you select separately, you don't know which alphabet are you selecting, then you will miss some chances, right? Select all at a time so that all the chances will be included there. 5C3. Perfectly done. So is there any chance of triple A, BC? Yes, beta, there is a chance for triple A, BC. How many alphabets are there? With 3 or more alphabets, only 1 box. So I have to select only one that. So for BC, out of 5 boxes, I have to select 2 boxes. Done. Perfectly done. BC. Is there any other chance? Can I write down like this? AA, EBC. Yes, perfectly I can choose it. So see here, I can select combinedly together. If I choose separately, I don't know which thing I am missing there. So AABB matlab, how many boxes are there with 2 or more alphabets? 2 boxes are there. I have to select those 2 boxes. Okay. Then for C, how many boxes are left over? 4 boxes are left over. I have to select one out of that for C. Yes or no? Perfectly done. Is there any other choice there? Yes, there is one more choice there. AABBC. AABB. This also will be worked out. So this can be done in how many ways? So see here, only 1 box is there. Only 1 box is there. So totally this is only one way. There is no other chance there. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any other way? If you miss one chance, your entire answer will go wrong. 6C5 is nothing but equal to 6. 5C3 is 10 into 2 will be 20. 5C2 is equal to 10. 2C2 is equal to 1. Is it 4? And finally, this is 1. So add all those things. That will be your answer there for first one. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 40, 41. Is your option number A? How many of you got the same answer there? Now, let us come to the next question there. What is the question asked? How many arrangements can be made by taking 5 letters from the word, it seems? 5 letters from the word. Already you have selected there. You have to just arrange them. So see here, all the 5 letters are different. So multiply this with 5 factorial. That will be, so I'll write down separately for you so that we can get more clarity there. I'll write down like this. Arrange. Second question. 6 into 5 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. So this will be 720. I'll write down separately. Okay. Now this one. So see here, 20 into again 5 factorial by, are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. 2 factorial. Come to third one. 10 into, yes, 5 alphabets are there. I have to arrange them in 5 factorial ways. Are there any duplicities? Yes, 3 factorial. Now come to here, which will be 4 into 5 factorial by, yes, there are duplicities. 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Am I right? Oh, sorry, 2 factorial into 2 factorial beta, not 3 into 2. 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Done. Is there any other? This one? Yes. So this one, 1 into 5 factorial by, so triple A 5 2 b na, so 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So let's count all those things. This is 10. Everybody know. Am I right or wrong? 5C3 na. This is to 4. 4 will get cancelled. So this will be 120. And this will be how much? 5 factorial by 3 factorial. So 5 into 4, 20. Is it 200? Yes, it is 200. Come to this one, 10. 120 into 2. Is it 2400? Oh, no. 5 factorial is 120. This is 2 ones are 2 tens are, so 1200 beta. Now count all those things, right? 12 plus 7, 1900. 19 plus 2, 2100. 2200. 2400. 2250. So totally the answer will be 2250. So how many of you got the same answer there here? 2250 is your answer. Option number B. Perfectly done, na? It's very. So this type of questions will be there in your IIFT examination, SNAP examination, right? Because they test your patience there. Oh, sorry. Let's see one more similar question of this type. 1 second, I'll go to that question. Yes. This one and next one, right? So I am expecting you guys to answer this both questions there. 2 minutes, try this. There are 2 questions in this. We are deeply hurt, right? I thought there are 45 students yesterday, right? No, there are only 10. Okay, right? So if your interest is at this level, right, continue the classes, right, for you. You can happily take in UPSC, which will be very helpful for me. Meenakshi, is it C? No, beta, it's not C. It's not C. Shubham, Ayush, what about your answers? It's not A also. Yeah, easy question, na? Of course, decorate in how many ways, how many arrangements can be made of the letters of the word assassination, it seems. So how many A's are there? 3 A's are there. I'll write down the breakup. 4 S are there. 2 I are there. 2 N are there. 1 T. 1 O is there. Am I right or wrong? So 3 plus 4, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 letters. So first of all, this 13 alphabets can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. This I know it. So are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. There is 3A, 3 factorial into 4 factorial 4s. There are 2 I's and there are 2 M's. Of course, finally 2 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 4, and I'll drop this 4 in front of 3 factorial, which will become 13 factorial by 4 factorial whole square. 4 factorial whole square. What is the next question asked? In how many of them are vowels always together, it seems? So how many vowels are there? First of all, 3A, 2I, 1 O. So all these vowels are together, it seems. I'll take down all the vowels as single block. So totally 6 are done. So remaining alphabets are how much? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right or wrong? 7 plus 6, 13. So see here, how many blocks are available now? 8 blocks are available. This 8 blocks can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. In those 8 blocks, are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. 4 S is there. 2 N are there. So again, I have to come back to this vowels block. I have to arrange this. Am I right or wrong? It cannot be 3. It cannot be only 3A, 2I, 1O. It can be 1O, 2I, 3A also. So finally, can I write down this as 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial? And you please let me know regarding this is equal to. Now finally, what will be your answer there? 8 factorial into 6 factorial divided by. So again, see here 2 factorial into 2 factorial will be 4. Is it 4 factorial whole square? Is there any option with this? Yes, your option number B satisfies. Nobody have given me B option here. Correctly. So in the same case of institution, right? Let us see how many can try this question there. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. A, B, C, D. I have given you 4 options there. How many 4-letter words can be formed by using the letters of the word assassination is the question asked. Need 5 seconds more. Ayush is saying that C. Raghav is saying B. No, yaar. No, yaar. Meenakshi, any answer? Ayush, Shubham. So, chalo, see, I'll write down first of all. First of all, how many different alphabets we have? I'll break down this. We have 3 A's, we have 4 S, we have 2 I's, we have 2 N's, we have 2 N's, we have 1 O, we have 1 T, that's it, right? 3 plus 4, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. D it seems. Shubham ne D bola. Let's see, right? So first of all, this 4 letter words, are these same? Are these different? Are these some same, some different? We have to write down all the cases, right? So let's write down first one. If all the alphabets are different, A, B, C, D. So how many different sets of alphabets do you have? I have divided this assassination into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes, 7 different letter boxes. Of course, each box contains different number of alphabets there. So out of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, right? Not 7, 6 boxes. I will select any 4 boxes. Am I right or wrong? And again, I have to arrange those 4 boxes, right? I mean, 4 alphabets, 4 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Is this the one there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes. Now let's come. Are the all alphabets same? Can all alphabets same? Yes, all the alphabets can be same. We have one box with 4 yes, so it can be done in only one way. So I'll write down this one also beta. 6C4 is nothing but 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 5s are 30, 30 by 2, 15, 15 into 24. What will be 15 into 24? Can anybody say? I'll write down the values also here. 15 into 24 is 360. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Let's see next one. Now see here. 2 alphabets same, 2 alphabets different. Is there any chance? Yes, there is a chance there. So first of all, how many boxes do we have with 2 or more alphabets? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Out of 4, I have to select one for AA. Then out of 6 boxes, मैंने एक box select किया. So I have to select for B and C. I'll select B and C together better. As I said there, if I select separately, I don't know which element is missing and which element I am choosing. It's a selection, na? So automatically I'll write down this as 5C2. And again I have to arrange them. How many ways can you arrange there? 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So 4C1 is 4, 5C2 is 10. 10, 10, 10, 10 into 120 by 2, is it 60? 600. Can I write down like this? So 3 alphabets same, 1 alphabets different. Yes, perfectly. There is a chance there. How many boxes are there with 2 or 3 or more alphabets? 2 boxes are there. Out of this, I have to choose one. So automatically 5 boxes are left over. I have to choose one for B. And I have to arrange them. 5 factorial by 3 factorial. Automatically 120 by 6 will be 20. 2 5s are 10. So it is 200. Okay, fine. I'll keep it aside. Is it 10 better? 2 into 5, 10. 5 factorial is 120. 120 by 6 is 20. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. Triple A B na. So what is the next one? Can I write down this as A B B? Yes, I can write down. See here. For this, out of 4 boxes, there are 4 boxes with 2 or more letters. I have to select 2 boxes. And of course, I have to arrange them. 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is 4. 120 by 4 is 30. 30 into 4C2 is 6. Is it 180? Yes, it is 180. Yes or no? Is there any other way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything that we have missed out? We have done all correct now? Yes. Add all those things. That will be the answer beta, right? So there are no options there. E option, I'll take down none of these. Okay. 15 into 24, right? It will be more than 1000 na? Let this. It is not 925 also. 360 plus 600 plus 200 plus 180 plus 1. So 1341 is your answer there. सिमिट्री कैसा वर्क मीन्स मतलब संस्कार त्यागी राइट, आप हिंदी पर चाहिए राइट, सो यू शुड हैव आस्क्ड मी इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ द क्लास ओनली ना, मैं हिंदी पर बोलूंगा राइट. So learn English also, that will be very fine. When you have gone to IIM, you have to speak in English only na, Hindi will not work out there. Done? Okay baji, let's go for the next one. Yes, let's see how many can solve this. Debajet sir, symmetry कैसे work करते, एक example बोलो बेटा right, then I can construct the question there. That's what right, I'm speaking in Hindi and English both दोनों भाई. Process of shuffling. Okay, tomorrow I'll get some questions Debajet on that, so you can understand it right. So I'll get some examples and I'll explain you right. So this is a regular question beta right, if you have gone for an IIT JEE coaching center, so this type of questions you will observe too regularly right, telephone wala number right, permutations and combinations पर. I forgot my friend's 7-digit telephone number, but I remembered that the first 2 digits of the number are either 25 or 53. Also the number is even, it seems. Also the number is even. It's not C. It's not C, Raminakshi. Also the number is even. And digit 2 appear once only, it seems. If digit 2 appear once, so the remaining digits can appear n number of times, right? That's the logic there. What is the maximum number of trials I have to make before I can contact my friend is the question. Let's suppose take, this is 7-digit telephone number now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us suppose take this telephone number starts with 2, 5. Of course, these two numbers are fixed now. Already digit 2 appeared once. So your phone number has to be even number. So the numbers that it can fill there here is 0, comma, already 2 is fixed, so 2 cannot be filled again. 4, comma, 6, comma, 8. So how many chances there? 4 chances there. So see here, apart from 2, all the 9 numbers have chances here. Apart from 9, all the numbers have chance here. Apart from 9, all the numbers have chance here. Apart from 9, all the numbers have chance here. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So finally, this is 4 into 9 to the power of 4. Okay, done. Let's come to the next one. So the next, the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the phone number starts with 5, 3. So there comes the confusion there. So see here, digit 2 will appear in the last digit or in between. What is the logic? But digit 2 has to appear only once. So to avoid this confusion, let's break down this into two chances. I'll write down one more chance for here. Digit 2 appears in the unit digit is 1 chance. Digit 2 doesn't appear in the last digit is 1 chance. That will be very fine now for me. So see here, if digit 2 appears in the last unit digit, this is fixed one way. Automatically this remaining 4 digits will be fixed in 999. Am I right or wrong? 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. So automatically this is nothing but 9 to the power of 4. Keep it aside. Let's come to here. If digit 2 doesn't appear here, so what are the chances here? Digit 2 doesn't appear here. 0, 4, 6, 8 are the chances there. Of course this is 4. Of course, how many slots are left over? 4 slots are left over. Out of this 4 slots, I have to select 1 for 2. 1 for 2. So how many slots will be left over? 3 slots will be left over. And those 3 slots can be filled in 39999 ways. So this value I'll write down here. So 4C1 is 4 into 4 into 9 cube is the value. See, I got all the chances there. So I will be taking down 9 cube as common. If I take 9 cube as common, so the value will be 4 9s are 36. Next one will be 9. Next one will be 16. What will be the answer there? 36 plus 16. It is 46, 52. 52 plus 9 is 61. So 61 into 9 cube ways is your answer there. So there is no such option there with 61 into 9 cube ways. So your option number E satisfies, and this is your answer there. So how many of you got the same answer there here, beta? I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yes. So let's go back. We have missed some questions at the start. Same question we have done, similar type of question in the start of the class. Let's see how many can solve this. You must solve this question in 30 seconds. If you have understood the question what we have done yesterday and today at the start of the class, this question can be done in 30 seconds. Expecting more attendance here. I will promote more from tomorrow, right? And all the Telegram groups, right? That this class exists. Please do try to hit the like button, beta. So that see here I can reach to more number of students, right? So your friends, right? All can get the alert regarding my class. This one and one more question. That's it. We'll end the class, right? Meenakshi, Shubham, Debachit, Sanskar Tyagi, Shubham, Raghav, Ayush. I hope so. This is an easy question, na? Can solve it very, very easily. We are given 3 different green dice. We are given 3 different green dice, 4 different red dice, and 2 different yellow dice. The number of ways in which the dice can be chosen so that at least one green die and at least one yellow die is selected. Arey bhai, we have done a similar type of question na. So what's the problem there? So G1, G2, G3. Is it A? Let's see. So 4 different red dice, R1, R2, R3, R4. And 2 different yellow dice, it seems, Y1, Y2. What is the condition there? So let us suppose this is a rack there. So you have got a basket. The number of ways in which the dice can be chosen, at least one green die. If you don't like any green die, you will be selecting, this is the selection in your basket. If you like one green die, it is 3C1. So on, it will be up to 3C2. But in the question there, you are asked to find out to select 3C3, not 3C2. So at least one it seems. So what will be the value here? Is it 2 cube minus 1? Yes, it is 2 cube minus 1. Similarly, one yellow die it seems. Is it 2 square minus 1? At least one. So is there any condition for red die? No, there is no condition for red die. So it can be from 0 to 4, right? So automatically this will be 2 to the power of 4. So finally 7 into 3 into 8. So your answer has to 16 beta, sorry, 16. Your answer has to end with 6 and there is only one option there, 336, and this is your answer. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 16. Debachit, right? Kya ho gaya aapko? This is not the answer. So let's see one. Let's try this. So I hope so There is no need of 2 minutes there. 30 seconds is more than enough to solve this question. Try this. Last question. I will not force you more than this. Ah, yes. The answer for this. A matrix with 4 rows and 3 columns is to be formed with entries 0, 1 or 2. How many such distinct matrices are possible is the question asked. How many such distinct matrices are possible? That's an easy question, na? 3 to the power of 12. Very good. Ayush gave me the answer there. Badhiya beta. Very good. I don't need that I should give you more time, right? So how many rows are there? 4 rows. 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. This is the matrix. So matrix number is 4 into 3. Now, what will be the number there? Now, see here 0 or 1 or 2. So 0 or 1 or 2 means how many chances there? 3 chances. Here also 3 chances. Here also 3. Here also 3. Am I right or wrong? 3, 3. So finally, what will be the answer there? How many blocks are there? 3 into 3 into 3. Is it 3 to the power of 12? Your option number C will be satisfied. Perfectly done. Na? Sure. Let's tomorrow I'll get logical reasoning and DA sets regarding permutations and combinations from different examinations here. Let's see how many can solve this, right? So tomorrow class will be so interesting. Don't miss the class. Tomorrow class is permutations and combinations based logical reasoning DA sets. Okay. So you guys know me, right? As I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my referral code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my referral code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my referral code NLN10. Right, AMTs with my referral code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my referral code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 24,750 after discount when you use my referral code NLN10, but this is the normal price. But we are offering you a special price where you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. And for 12 months, now see the price is 22,000. It's not 24,750. So you will be saving 2,750 rupees and you will be getting my guidance and access to the best quality courses. The same is applicable for Iconic. You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. Yes, please do try to join my special classes here, right? As I'm dealing with the best questions, right? So again, for tomorrow's class, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question and come, right? Try to put your answer in the comment section box, whomsoever are watching the session there, right? Tomorrow's first question, I'll deal this, right? And please do try to hit the like button here. Share my classes with your friends so that I can reach to more number of people, right? Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs, download the PDF from the Telegram group and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Right? Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow sharp 10 PM beta. Fine.